Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our health and wellness planners for the last week in May. And I've got this silver metallic pen ready to go, as well as these habit trackers and stat stickers I will use, this washi tape as well that I may use, and these sticker books which I'll pull from. So this is the last week of the May Plannable Challenge, and this week's theme is On the Bright Side. So if you'd like to participate, go ahead and post your spreads up on Instagram using the hashtag PlannableMay2022. We'd love to see what you come up with. And okay, just going to go ahead and lay down some wax paper here and get things started. So I did pre-pull a sticker sheet for this spread from the Trendsetter sticker book. Just kind of collected all of the stickers I thought I might use on this one sheet so that I would have it all ready to go for this video. And I'm going to start off by cutting up the stat stickers real quick, just laying those in where I think they're going to go. I did make some new stat stickers on my computer. I wanted to have some colors added in, and so I added some rainbow colors to my template. I also added some color to my habit trackers template so that I could have different colors to use on colorful spreads, just to have some options, because the black is great, but it's nice to have some color options sometimes just to get some variety. So I went ahead and laid in the stickers I thought I was going to use there for the sidebar. And now I'm laying in some washi tape just to see how I might use it. I really think this washi tape is super cute, but it uses silver, which is not a color that I like to use in my planner. It's just a little bit hard to see as opposed to like a gold, which I don't know, for me, silver is almost like white if you're looking at it in the wrong light, so I just don't gravitate to it very often. But the Trendsetter sticker book is very silver heavy, and I thought, well, with this washi tape, which is also from the Happy Planner, I could bring in some Trendsetter feels and then the silver as well and add it all together and hopefully make a fun spread that wasn't too silver, that had more color than silver, and was able to carry a rainbow spread with like silver accents, if you will. And so I pulled a bunch of quotes from that Trendsetter sticker book, including that silver quote there that says, "Look at the bright side." And so since this week's theme is on the bright side, I thought that was a good quote for this theme. Just trying to figure out how I want to incorporate it, since the other quotes I pulled are in different colors and shapes, and I am working towards a rainbow of sorts across the page, so just trying to find a good way to display this silver quote. And as I look at it, I can kind of see that the stat stickers lean heavier towards the purple all the way to the edge, and then the teal is kind of under Saturday, so I thought if I moved things over a little bit it would balance better. I also pulled a bunch of these kind of confetti-like star clusters, both in the silver and in the rainbow colors, and I just thought that would be a good way to add some decor in here, since I don't really have a lot of decor stickers from this book. So the decor is really going to be the quotes and those little star clusters. I'm also adding in some silver boxes here to actually track my workouts. So I'm just going to put one on each day that I work out, which is every day but Saturday, and lay the quotes around them. So just that whole upper section will be for working out and decor. And I thought I might try something different on the spread, but honestly, I just didn't feel like I had the right stickers to do something out of the box this week. So I'm just going to stick with my normal combination of adding those two boxes at the top together and then doing my stats and my food log below that with my total calories at the very bottom of the food log. So I spend quite a bit of time here just kind of laying in those little clusters of stars, cutting them up, making some shapes and spreading them around so that they don't look too busy, but add the right accent of fun and excitement there on the spread. There's a lot of ways you could have gone with this theme. I really thought I might do like a full yellow spread or something with sunshine, or just there's a lot of ways you could go with this. But there's a few reasons why I went with this. One, I thought a rainbow theme would be good for my health planner since bright rainbow spreads are always fun. And it also keeps me energized. I'm going to need all the energy I can get going into summer. Hopefully get my health routine back on track. I say this very, very often, but I struggle with not so much at keeping track of where I'm at with my health, but just making the best choices for my health and finding the energy to do pretty much what needs to be done to reach my health goals. It's really great to have a planner because I can just see from week to week how I'm doing and if I'm getting better or worse or just getting lazy, and it does sometimes put a fire under me to do something about it. So I really am a fan of health tracking. If anything, it really gives you a picture of how your health is. And so if you're seeing that maybe you are gaining weight, or maybe that you're just feeling run down or over exercised or whatever it is that you're dealing with, you can kind of look and see what you're doing and how it might be different from what you were doing before when you felt differently, and make adjustments if you need to. That's what I really feel like my health planner gives me, is just like a guideline for what is working, what it isn't, what are the results of my actions as far as what I'm eating, how much I'm exercising, how much effort I'm putting in, that kind of thing. Lately, I feel like I've been putting in a moderate amount of effort as far as my food and my exercise, but I'm not going crazy, full force. And I guess I need to do that because it's just not enough from what I can tell on my results as far as what my goals are health-wise. That said, that is why I tend to like energizing and fun colors in my planner. It just helps get me going when something's kind of mellow, and like pastels and things just kind of calm me down and might be good for relaxation, but is not really good for me personally when it comes to energizing myself to get things done and make progress. So that's why I kind of went towards the trendsetter, because I really wanted to use that washi. The washi was really the jumping off point, and I knew trendsetter had similar rainbow colors and silver accents. So I thought I could use this washi with that and really make it work. So I've already started moving things over onto the page, you can see, and I am pretty much just laying things in how I think they're going to go. I tend to like to do a sample on the very first day if I'm not exactly sure if that's what I want it to look like, kind of work it out, but I think I will go ahead and do what I plan there with the vertical layered with the silver checklist style sticker and the silver box at the bottom for the total calories. I'm also going to lay in these stat stickers, which this is the first time I've used these rainbow stat stickers, and they are kind of light, at least on camera. They're readable, they're obviously readable, but that's something I'll have to keep in mind when I build out the next set. Maybe I need to darken the colors a little bit just for added readability. And I'm going to go ahead and white out the box lines there, both the ones that are on the top and the bottom there, so I can combine the big boxes, and then I will also white out the day separating lines as well, just to make a nice clean palette for the quotes and all of the extras I'm going to be putting in here. And I'll just lay those silver boxes approximately under each day so I know which day I'm tracking for the workout in that box, but it'll be just more like a big open area for decor. And I'm using just a white Sakura Jelly Roll pen for this. I prefer to use the 10 or the 1.0 tip, but the ones that I have in my stash right now are the 0.8 tip or the 0.8 style pen. Those work great too. That's what I started off with, but then I found that the 10 style pen was just a little bit thicker and a lot easier to cover the lines quickly, so I do prefer that. But my other pens that I had in my stash have already run out of ink, so I'm using up these other ones here until I get another order in for the larger size. And so I wasn't really planning on doing this at first, but I got it on a whim to make this adjustment. I'm going to go ahead and border the entire top area with this washi just for some more color, some more pizzazz, and we'll see how it looks once I try to add in the stickers. But I thought having a little bit more of the color was a good idea, and I definitely wanted to incorporate more of the washi. So that's what I'm working on here with the border. So just doing a quick test to see if I think I can make this all work together, and I think I can. So let's start dropping things in. Just going to go ahead and start off with the side. Doing a little bit of overlap there on the border with the box because I think I'm going to need the room. And then just fitting in this quote. It's a little bit tighter now since the border comes in a bit on the space that I had before. I just gotta figure out exactly where I want things. And we'll go ahead and lay in the washi here at the bottom, get things started. I did want to use that other strip that I had already pulled for the right side page that I ended up forgetting about as I was laying in that washi tape before around the border. So I'm just going to use it here in the bottom section. And I'll go ahead and lay in the rest of those silver elements down here at the bottom. Straighten things out. And then I'll go ahead and lay in the washi tape as well here on the right side. Just lay that in, get that ready for finishing them out with the stickers. So this spread is very much my norm as far as how it's laid out, but I don't know. It's a little bit more wild, a little more chaotic than I normally do, but I really think it'll be fun to look at for the week. One thing I thought about after I had already laid in that washi border is that it would have been nice to carry the washi all the way to the edge of the page, because I do have some of the stickers bleeding into the spine a bit more than the washi goes. but I decided just to let it go because in order to do that I would really have to shift all the washi inward and also fill in gaps and things like that. So I just figured it'd be easier to let it be. It's pretty minor, but just something that I thought might be a better look if I'd done this differently. And okay, I've laid it all at the bottom there, so I'm going ahead and laying in the right side and putting in all of those stickers. Just kind of fitting them around the border I put in. And like I said, things are fitting in a little bit differently, but I think we can get it all in here in one piece. I think I want to use a little bit of the silver pin over here in the sidebar because it feels like it doesn't quite have the same pizzazz as the main decor. So I'll go ahead and first pencil in what I think I want it to look like, and then I will trace over it with the silver pen because I definitely don't trust myself to do it on my own, or at least without having a guide. And once I am done with that little extra bit, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!